Today, this program is organized to exercise the provision of Rule 166A of the TTADC Council Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, which I shall read. The Chief Executive Member and other executive members of the Executive Committee of the District Council formed under Rule 157 shall, before entering upon their respective offices, be administered the oath of office and of secrecy by such authority as may be determined by the Governor, according to the form set out for the purpose. His Excellency, the Governor of Tripura, is pleased to issue order under the provision of Rule 166A that Srimati Sankri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura, is authorized to administer the oath of office and of secrecy to the Chief Executive Member and other executive members of the Council. Now, I shall request Madam Secretary Law, Government of Tripura, to come on the stage to administer the oath of office and of secrecy to the Chief Executive Member and other executive members of the Council. I shall call upon the newly elected Chief Executive Member and other executive members to take oath of office and of secrecy to the Constitution of India. Now, I shall call upon Sri Runial Debarma, elected Chief Executive Member, to come on the stage for oath of office and secrecy.
Ang Mochang Runial Debarma Kaitonni Mungui Samaitangi Sazawo Ang Barot Elambagni Bisingti Khazak Kerongno Poito Kubui Tai Khorok Bomui Sazawo Ang Barotni Phan Keplai Tai Kethalai Mungno Naikoli Tononai Ang Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Charipang Adong Okrani Samungno Jotoni Bagino Tangnai Baratni Elembag Tai Kerongni Bisingti Kirima Keri Klai Eba Bagsano Chajakma Eba Chajagya Klai Eba Kebo Khoroksa Bai Gedalei Eba Huizagai Samung Tanglak Ani Thani Yafarzak Hankor Kokchap Nokni Charipang Adong Okrani Barjano Nangui Nangyawui Keboni Bukak Funugui Eba Huizagui Samung Tanglak Hambai Jotono.
Honorable Chief Executive Member has selected only one member who shall be the executive member of the Executive Committee. Now, I shall call upon Sri C.K. Jamatia to come on the stage for taking oath of office and of secrecy as executive member.
Ang Mochang Chandra Kumar Jamatia Baba Goriani Mungtui Somai Tangai Sajago Ang Bharat Elembakni Bisingtui Khazak Kerong no Puito Kubui Tei Khorok Bomui Sajago Ang Bharatni Phan Keplai Tei Kethalai Mungno Naikolui Tongnai Ang Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Charipang Adong ni Samungno Jotoni Bagino Tangnai भारतनि एलेमबाग तै केरंनि बिसिंतै किरिमा करै खालायै एबा बाक्सानो जाजागमा एबा जाजागिया खालाय एबा केब खरकसा बाय गदालै एबा हैजागै सामों तांग्लाक आनि थानि याफारजाक हांकर ककचापनि चारिफां आदंनि बरजानो नांयागै केबनि बखाक फुनुगै एबा हैजागै सामों तांग्लाक जतन खुलुमखा हामबाय।